not a review, I just wanted to tell you about this. I think it's a real find. Precision squares from a company in the UK for a quarter of the price of woodpecker kit. Now, I'm not saying it's in the same ballpark as, same arena as woodpecker kit, but 400mm blade, single piece of CNC machined aluminium, square out the box, £70. Just a brief overview. I think the reference face could be a little longer. The blade feels a little narrow, but if you need a precision square line, then you've got to argue that the face you're squaring off should be flat and true. So that should be long enough. And it's certainly long enough for you to support the square and draw a line. The scale that's etched into it isn't highlighted with any paint, so it's a little difficult to read. But if you do catch it in the light, or like me, if you put your stronger glasses on, then once you've identified the measurement that you want, you've then got these 5 holes graduated in to represent each mil back. And that's a bizarre one. They've gone backwards. So if you want 213, we'll say, you don't go into 210 and add 3, you go to 215 and take 2, which is a bit reverse, I think. But then, all in all, quite the little find. I'm quite chuffed with that. And like I said, 70 quid from Rutlands. I'll put the link down below. While I was there, I also picked up this little triangle square, 150mm version. The indentations on this, the numbers are actually highlighted with white paint, so much easier to see. No holes for marking though. And 30 quid. I'm just blown away by the price. If they can do it for so much less, why are we paying so much for woodpecker? I know woodpecker is fantastic kit. I am not knocking it. Absolutely love it, and I've got a cupboard full of it, although I'd like more. Anyway, there you go guys. 2 great little precision squares from Rutlands. Links will be below. Check them out. I think you might like them. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra.